Welcome to the online story time. My name is Keiko Satomi. I am the children's librarian at the Croquet Public Library. So we are going to start the story time with hello song as usual. And to say hello, we use to say hello in sign language. We put one hand on your forehead and move it away from your forehead. So this is hello. And the other sign is friends. To say friends, we use 2 pointers. Here's one friend. Here's another friend. They give each other hugs. So this is friends. And the hello song goes like this. Hello friends. Hello friends. Hello friends. It's time to say hello. Let's try one more time. Hello friends. Hello friends. Hello friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. So for the next song, I have 3 birds today. They want to say hello to you too. And let's see who wants to say hello to you first. What is the color of this bird? Yes, it is a black bird. And do you know what this is? That's right. This is a crow. And do you know what does crow say? What is it? The crow says, caw, caw, caw. Can you make the sound too? Right. And the song goes like this. When crow gets up in the morning, he always says hello. When crow gets up in the morning, he always says hello. And what does he say? Caw, caw, caw. And that is what he says. Bye-bye, crow. Okay, so who is next? What kind of bird is this? Oh, so cute. Yes, this is a duck, a baby duck. And do you know what does duck say? The duck says, quack, quack, quack. Are you ready? When duck gets up in the morning, he always says hello. When duck gets up in the morning, she always says hello. And what does she say? Quack, quack, quack. And that is what she says. Bye-bye, ducky. And the last bird for today, for this song is... What is this? Yes, it is a chicken, and a male chicken. It's a rooster. And do you know what this rooster says in the really, really early morning? That's right. Rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Are you ready for the song? The rooster gets up in the morning. He always says hello. When rooster gets up in the morning, he always says hello. And what does he say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. And that is what he says. Okay, bye-bye, rooster. So today's story time is all about birds. So I am going to read 3 different stories about different birds. And we are going to enjoy some songs and activities. So, are you ready for the first story? What do you see on the cover? Yes, here is a cow, and on top of his head, here is a duck. the book is Click, Clack, Peep. This is written by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. Click, clack, peep. Farmer Brown stuck his head out the window. The farm was too quiet. Everyone was watching the egg. Not a moo, not a click, not an oink, not a clack, not a baa, not a cluck, not a thing, then a crack. Inside the barn, everyone gathered closer. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack, clack, crack. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack. Baby duck. Baby duck laughed, beep, 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 and laughed again. Baby duck waddled, beep, 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 and waddled again. Baby duck played, beep, 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 and played again. The animals yawned. Oh, beep, 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 and yawned again. The chicken sang a lullaby, but baby duck would not sleep. Beep, beep, beep. The cows lowered the shades, but baby duck would not sleep. Beep, beep, beep. The sheep knitted a blanket, but baby duck would not sleep. Beep, beep, beep. The chickens went outside to get some sleep. The cows went outside to get some sleep. The sheep went outside to get some sleep. The mice went outside to get some sleep. Duck took off his headphones, beep, 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 and he put it on the farmer's head. He put baby duck into a bucket, beep, beep, beep. He covered her with a blanket, beep, beep, beep. He carried her outside, beep, beep, beep. He climbed into the tractor, beep, beep, beep. He buckled up the seat belts, beep, 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 and backed out of the barnyard, beep, beep, beep. He drove back and forth, beep, 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 back and forth, beep, 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 back and forth, beep, beep. Sleep. Farmer Brown opens his eyes after a good night's sleep. Not a moo, not a clack, not a clack. Not a peep. The end. Oh, how nice. Okay, oops, sorry. So next, let's do a little movement. So we are going to move our arms up and down and open and close. Hold on. Yeah, out and in and fast and slow. Okay, and this song is called Roly Poly, and we are gonna start like this. Are you ready? Roly poly, roly poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, down, 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 down. Roly poly, roly poly, out, 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 out. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, in, 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 in. Roly poly, roly poly, fast, 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 fast. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, slow, 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 slow. So next we are going to sing a song called The More We Get Together. And for this song, we are going to use 4 different sign languages. The first sign is this. Does anybody know what this means? Yes, I know some of you probably would know. This means more. Can you make it? Can you make the sign more? And the next sign is together. So to say together, we make 2 thumbs up and then put the knuckles together and we draw big circles in front of us, just like this. So this is together. And the next sign is happy. To say happy, we put our hands on our chest like this and move it. Move them. Yes, this is happy. And the last sign is, I think we already know this, friends. So 2 pointers and they give each other hugs. Okay, so more, together, happy, and friends. Okay, are you ready for the song? The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Because my friends are your friends, and your friends are my friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job, friends. Okay, so we are going to move on to the next book. This is called No Two Alike. This is written by Keith Baker. No two snowflakes are alike. Almost, almost. But not quite. No two nests so soft and round. No two tracks upon the ground. No two branches, no two leaves. No two forests full of trees. No two fences long and low. No two roads, where do they go? No two bridges, wood or stone. No two houses, anyone home? No two friends, large or small, no two alike. Among you all, just alike? Almost, almost, but not quite. The end. Okay, nice listening, everybody. So, next song, we are going to use a shaker. So, any kind of shaker would work. If you have an egg shaker, yes, that would be great. Or you may have this kind of shaker. Or if you do not have any shaker, just grab something that makes sound. Can be like this, or can be like this. Anything would work. So go grab something to make a noise if you want. And the next song is, I think you all know this song. It's called If You're Happy and You Know It. So for this song, we are going to clap our hands and stamp our feet, and we are going to give it a shake. Okay, so let's start with the clap our hands, okay? All right, are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it up. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and then you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, and we really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. Okay, good job, friends. So today's last story is called Everyday Birds. So in this story, you can find so many different birds, and some of them you probably have seen before. So I want you to think that if you have seen this before or not, or maybe you can find them today. Everyday Birds. This is written by Amy Ludwig and Van der Water. Every day we watch for birds weaving through our sky. We listen to their calls and songs. We like to see them fly. Chickadee wears a wee black cap. Jay is loud and bold. Nuthatch perches upside down. Finch is clothed in gold. Hawk hunts every day for prey. Cardinal flashes fire. Woodpecker taps hollow trees. Crow rests on the wire. Heron fishes with his bill. Sparrow hops in brown. Mockingbird has many voices. Pigeon lives in town. Eagle soars above the land. Oriole hangs her nest. Owl swoops soundlessly late at night. Robin puffs his chest. Hummingbird drinks flower nectar. Goose flies in a V. Bluebird sleeps at meadow's edge. Gull stares at the sea. Every day we watch for birds living right outside our door. We pay attention to the birds. Every day we learn some more. The end. Did you find any birds you already know? And if you like birds or watching birds, we are going to have an online program called Bird Watching 101 with Amy Simpson-Dim. This is coming up this coming Friday, February 19th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is a program for all ages. So if you are interested, please tune in to this program. The link to this Zoom is going to be released sometime this week, probably on Wednesday or Thursday. So check this out if you want. Okay, so this is all for today. So we are going to sing a goodbye song. You ready? Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye and see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your time with me today. I hope